Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable HDMI-CEC on your Xiaomi TV Box 3S. First of all, navigate to the gear icon to open Quick Settings menu and then open all settings by selecting gear icon again. Here select Display and Sound, and the first option you will see here is HDMI-CEC. Now once you open this menu, the first option will let you enable or disable HDMI-CEC, and the following options let you enable or disable the features related to this HDMI-CEC feature. So for example, the key play, automatic power off, and auto changing the language. So basically this first option lets you toggle all the features below on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.